Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, January the 15th, 2016. This is Christian. I'm going to be giving you another market analysis, basically looking at this week and kind of looking at next week as well. So we're going to be looking at a 3-year weekly chart. That means every single one of these candlesticks represents 1 week of trading activity. All right, and we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, so keep that in mind as well. I could show you the S&P or the NASDAQ, and it's all going to be looking about the same, so I'm just going to pick one and I'll show you the Dow Jones. We may look at some others as well. The main thing to show you here right off the bat is the overall trend. 50-period moving average is trading above the 200-period moving average. That means that you're in a bullish uptrend. Now, does that mean this is going to continue forever? No. Does that mean that it's peaked at this point in time? We're not actually sure. We don't know that. So you're going to continue to maintain your bullish perspective until proven wrong, until some other trend sets up. Okay, we don't want to tell the market what it's going to do. We want to trade what it is doing. So right now, I want to talk to you guys about this particular pattern that you're seeing. I think it was 5 or 6 weeks ago. I told you guys back here in this time period that this big sell-off here was good. It was an opportunity to take a bullish position. It wasn't the peak and the end, beginning of the end, at least not known at that point in time. It may develop to become, but at this point in time, you would only be looking at, you've got a nice pullback here, but the overall trend is still bullish, so we're going to be looking for long opportunities, which means, from my perspective, the best signal you can look for is a nice hammer reversal candlestick formation after a nice sell-off. So you get the sell-off, look for the reversal candlestick, and then you trade it from the upside, looking at the target, the previous high. So you make this money here. I love volatility because it gives you so much profit whenever you make those good trades. Now, at the same time, you come up here and you make a lower high than you'd seen before. That's where your bears are coming in and saying, okay, now we've peaked. We're seeing lower highs. Yes and no. Lower highs are part of a downtrend. However, you can set that up and then shake it off, and set it up and shake it off. So what I want to see to confirm that, I want to see price activity come down here and close below this 200-period moving average. I want to see this move down here, close down here in this kind of an area here, somewhere here, and get really bearish, okay? And then we have a lower series of lows as well as a lower series of highs. Then your argument becomes a little bit stronger, all right? Still not foolproof. I've seen them shake these off as well. But I would be looking for something down here at this reversal point, because you will get a bounce whether you're bullish or whether you're bearish. You're still going to bounce, okay? So whenever I get that bounce, what I want to look for is, do I still get hammer candlestick reversal signals like this on the bounce? Because if I do, it's still bullish. That's a very important sign of strength for a bullish bottom, is those hammer candlestick formation, hammers, hammers, hammers. They'll keep showing up again and again and again. As long as they're showing up, you stay bullish. Whenever they stop showing up, now I start to get concerned. Where did it go? Where did my strength go? Okay. And at that point in time, I would then have a lower series of highs, lower series of lows, and no hammer candlestick formation. I look at the next bounce not as a missed opportunity. I'd be looking to see, do I get a shooting star signal in this area like this? And if I did, I take that as a short position and look to test this previous low, in which case you can be like this, and you'd be in a series of lower highs, lower lows, and so forth and so on. You'd be in a downtrend at that point in time, okay? That's how I'm looking at this market right now. I just kind of want to share that with you guys. But at the same time, I want to point out that I am not a bear at any point until this has started to set up. Right now, I'm still bullish. If I get a nice little pullback next week and we test the low and we come back up here and we form a little hammer candlestick formation like this, I'm going to be buying that. That's all I'm going to do with that, okay? God bless. Take care. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next one.